Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching cost sheet. Cost per unit. So let us start with question number 3. Royal Limited started a factory in Navi Mumbai on 1st April 2013. Following details are furnished about its activity during the year 31st March 2014. So raw materials is given as 40,000 units at the rate of 7 per unit. So we'll mark it as DM, which will come under direct material. Next, direct wages. Part A, skilled workers, rupees 9 per unit. Part B, unskilled workers, rupees 6 per unit. So we'll mark it as DW, which will come under direct wages. Next, royalty on raw materials consumed at the rate of rupees 3 per unit. So we'll mark it as DE, that is direct expenses. Next, works overheads at the rate of 8 per machine hours, and machine hours worked is given as 25,000. So we'll mark this as FC, that is factory cost. Next, office overheads at 1/3 of works cost. So we'll mark this as AC, that is administrative cost. Next, sales commission at the rate of 4 per unit. Units produced 40,000. So we'll mark this as SC, that is selling cost. Next, stock of units at the end, 4,000 units to be valued at cost of production per unit. So we'll mark this as DM, that is direct materials. Next, selling price is rupees 50 per unit. Prepare cost sheet showing the various elements of cost both in total and per unit. So let us start preparing cost sheet. Royal Limited cost sheet for the year ended 31st March 2014. Output is given as 40,000 units. So let us start preparing cost sheet. First, part A, direct materials. So first we'll record cost of direct materials. Raw materials is given as 40,000 units at the rate of 7 per unit. So we'll record it. Raw materials 40,000 units at the rate of 7. So the total cost will be rupees 2,80,000. Number of units will be 40,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 7 per unit. Part B, direct wages. Direct wages, part A, skilled workers at the rate of 9 per unit. So skilled workers 40,000 units at the rate of rupees 9. So the total amount will be 3,60,000. Part B, unskilled workers, rupees 6 per unit. So unskilled workers 40,000 unit into 6, which will be rupees 2,40,000. So the total amount will be rupees 6 lakhs. Number of units will be 40,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 15 per unit. Part C, direct expenses. Royalty on raw materials consumed at the rate of 3 per unit. So we'll mark this under direct expenses. Royalty on raw materials, that is 40,000 units into 3. So the total amount will be rupees 1,20,000. Number of units is 40,000 and cost per unit is rupees 3. So prime cost amount will be rupees 10 lakhs. Number of units is 40,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 25 per unit. Next, we'll record works overheads at the rate of 8 per machine hours, and machine hours worked is given as 25,000. So we'll record it. Works overheads as 25,000 into 8, which will be rupees 2 lakhs. Number of units is 40,000 and cost per unit will be 5 per unit. Part F, works cost. So works cost amount will be rupees 12 lakhs. Number of units will be 40,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 30 per unit. Next we will record office overheads at 1/3 of works cost. So office overheads as 1/3 of works cost. So 1/3 of 12 lakhs, which will be rupees 4 lakhs. Number of units will be 40,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 10 per unit. Part H, cost of production. So the cost of production amount will be rupees 16 lakhs. Number of units will be 40,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 40 per unit. Next we will record cost of units at the end. 4,000 units to be valued at cost of production per unit. So we will deduct stock of finished goods from cost of production. So the total amount will be 1,60,000. Number of units was given as 4,000 and cost per unit will be nil. So the cost of goods sold amount will be rupees 14,40,000. Number of units will be 36,000 and cost per unit will be 40 per unit. Part K, sales overheads. Sales commission at the rate of 4 per unit is given. So we'll record it sales commission as 36,000 units into 4 per unit. So the total amount will be 1,44,000. Number of units is 36,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 4 per unit. So cost of sales will be rupees 15,84,000. Number of units will be 36,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 44 per unit. Part M as profit. Sales price is 50 per unit. So sales will be 36,000 into 50 per unit, which will be rupees 18 lakhs. Number of units will be 36,000 and cost per unit is 50 per unit. So profit amount will be the balancing figure, which will be rupees 2,16,000. Number of units will be 36,000 and cost per unit will be rupees 6 per unit.